Are you tired of spending hours manually removing backgrounds from your photos or retouching your photos? Do you wish you could find a reliable service that can provide professional quality Photoshop services for your images? Look no further than Clipping Path Lab. At Clipping Path Lab, we are dedicated to providing high-quality clipping path services for photographers, e-commerce businesses, and graphic designers alike. You take the photo, and we will take care of the rest. Our team of experts is equipped with the latest tools and technology to provide you with high-quality image editing services that are both efficient and affordable. Whether you're a professional photographer or a business owner, we understand the importance of having visually appealing images that stand out from the crowd. That's why we offer a wide range of services that include image masking, photo retouching, background removal, and much more. We understand that every client has unique needs, which is why we offer a wide range of clipping path services, including basic clipping, multiple clipping, and super complex clipping, neck join, jewelry retouching, masking, shadow making, and raster to vector conversion services. Our experienced team of graphic designers ensures that every image is carefully edited with attention to detail, so you can trust that your images will always look their best. So, what are you waiting for? Visit our website today and discover why Clipping Path Lab is the go-to choose for all your image editing needs. Thank you for choosing Clipping Path Lab, and we look forward to helping you tell your story through your images. Visit www.clippingpathlab.com today to get started.